always been told to love myself. I try, but I can never understand. It's hard.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today is another keto recipe. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade icypoles. That's what we call them here in Australia, or I think it's called popsicles in the US. So this is a very easy recipe, much easier than my keto ice cream. So if you are interested to see how I make these beautiful keto summer icypoles, popsicles, then please keep watching. Okay, for this recipe you're going to need some raspberries, 2 limes, organic stevia, and some sparkling natural mineral water. And you're going to need these icypole molds or popsicle molds in order to pour the mixture into. If you don't have these molds, then you can use ice cube trays. So I'm going to pour at least 4 cups of this water. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of the stevia. I'm going to give that a mix. Oh my goodness, look at that, risen right to the top. So now I'm going to add the juice of the 2 limes, and make sure you strain it because you don't want that pulp in there. Give it another mix. All I'm going to do is drop in the strawberries and let that infuse. Give it another mix, and now I'm ready to pour. And now I put the lids on and ready for the freezer. Now these are ready for the freezer, and I'm going to freeze them overnight, and we'll see how they turned out by tomorrow. Now for the unveiling. All you have to do is just loosen it at the top, and voila! You can see the raspberries all encompassed in the actual popsicle or icypole, and this is now ready to eat. So it worked out really well. It's going to be a wonderful summer treat, nice and refreshing. So there you have it, a very easy recipe to make homemade icypoles. So on that note everybody, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you click that notification bell for all the upcoming videos. I would eat this now, but it's only 6:45 in the morning, so I'm going to wait till the afternoon to have a try. So thank you again for watching, and I'll check you in my next video. Bye for now.